This is Austin's daddy and Reed's daddy, and this is when Austin's gonna meet Reed. Mama's in the hospital bed. Look at this is your little brother. What do you think of that? What do you think of that, little boy? Your little brother's about four hours old. What do you think, Austin? That's Reed. Remember, we've been telling you all about him. What do you think? You're just looking at him, huh? Come, guys. Mama, Baba.